In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an assignment tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable system to organize your coursework, see what's due next, and keep everything in one place. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. Click the New Page button, name it Assignment Tracker, and choose Table. Full page as the layout. This gives you a clean, flexible table that can grow with your semester. A full page table also makes it easy to add views later without clutter. Next, let's set up the properties so the tracker works the way you need. Rename the first column to assignment name and keep it as the title property. This is where you'll put the name of each task, like Math Homework 3, so you can quickly scan your list. Add a subject or course column and set it to select. Create options like math, English, science, and history. Using select keeps your subjects consistent and helps with filtering. Add a due date column and set it to date. Turn on reminder if you want notifications before a deadline. This is a lifesaver during busy weeks. For progress, add a status column as select with options like not started, in progress, completed, and submitted. These stages help you see where each assignment stands at a glance. If you like prioritizing, add an optional priority column as select with low, medium, and high. Finally, include a notes column as text for instructions, links, or quick reminders from your syllabus. Now start filling it in. Click New or use the empty row at the bottom, enter the assignment details, and repeat for each task. Keep the naming consistent and add due dates right away so your views and reminders work properly. To make the tracker powerful, create a few helpful views. Click Add a View and set up a by due date view sorted by due date in ascending order, so the next deadline is always at the top. Create a by status board view grouped by status to visualize your work moving from not started to submitted. Then make a this week view by filtering due date to within the next 7 days, which is perfect for weekly planning. For simple automation, enable date reminders on your due dates and sort your main view so urgent tasks appear at the top. This keeps your focus where it matters. Customize for productivity by adding colors to status and priority, and consider using emojis for subjects to make scanning faster. Finally, pin the page to your favorites so it's always one click away. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.